If you're looking for car body repair services in Bristol city centre, then look no further than G&D Smart Repairs. Whatever body repairs your car needs, our full range of services means we can help. We are your one-stop shop for all car body repairs in Bristol. We can undertake minor dent removal, major dent repair, accident repair, body repairs, and alloy wheel refurbishment. Plus, while your repair is being carried out, we can offer you a free courtesy car or van. If your paintwork has been damaged by stone chips, scratches, or vandal damage, our experienced team can offer a cost-effective repair. We can even repair coloured and textured bumpers. We can repair all makes and models and offer a quick, quality turnaround. Our friendly and helpful team are on hand to offer help and advice. For maximum convenience, we can even offer a collection and delivery service to your work or home. We offer free quotations and can even offer special rates for fleet contracts. We are also specialists in alloy wheel refurbishment and alloy wheel repair. So if you've recently hit a curb and feel the damage to the wheel is spoiling your car's ride, looks and handling, bring it in to our team of experts. We're experts in wheel repair and refurbishment and can offer you a free courtesy car while we work on your wheels. G&D Smart Repairs. Give us a call or visit our website today.